it!
Holy shit!
Hey there, Heaven. It's about time we had a little chat. As you can see, we've been a bit busy down here since your last visit. You know, we've been hearing for so long about how the grass is greener on your side of the fence that we thought maybe we should come over and see for ourselves. And heck, we like it enough, we might just decide to stay. You have 24 hours to surrender the kingdom of heaven to me, or you'll have a front row seat to the next extermination.
You're acting out like you want teachers' attention. Well, I'm the principal of this eternal attention. Now, you had your fun, but son, it's time to ring. Cinnamon, you're getting way too big for your screen. Now I'm here to take the punishment. It's gonna be me. Just in case y'all have forgotten who the motherfucking killer is. Cause I'm the something, I'm the flame. The mortal world is scared to say my name. I am smoking, I'm the scared. I am living out the end. Stay while you want, Mr. TV.
Wow, super scary. I see why they give you such a big hat. Quick thing, though.
Well, we are not gonna be kept down anymore. Consider this a declaration of holy war. I've woken up the people to the lies you aimed. We will visit, we will be bringing baskets, we'll be carrying chests to make some money. Put you in caskets, I'll show you what it means to be the motherfucking king of hell. 'Cause I'm the